Hi there, my name is Joel. What I'd like to show you today is an application that we built for the Atlassian Codegeist challenge, which we're calling Confluence Glossary. It's built with Forge, so we used the beta Forge project to build this integration, and it's really an add-on to your Confluence environment. So we've added a slash command, which allows you to integrate with the application, and then it will add something into the content, which I'll show you in just 1 second. But the idea behind the Confluence glossary is that oftentimes, especially in specific industries where there's new terminology or abbreviations, or even just in articles that you may have which use complex language, everyone writes differently. It's not always clear for new users or users who are maybe not familiar with that language what's going on in the article. And so rather than having to go Google and look up every new word that you're not familiar with, we thought it would be appropriate if, similarly to a book, at the end where there's a glossary that you can quickly look up, frequently used terms that may be a little out of the ordinary, it would be nice if we could have that bottom section on an Atlassian or Confluence article as well. And so that's what we did in this case. So what you're looking at here is a write-up about Node.js. And now I took this offline, but I put it here. And so you can see that this is representative of, let's say, a complex article that I've written up for my team. Now, if people aren't familiar with Node.js, they aren't familiar with kind of these more programmatic concepts, they're going to have to go online. They're going to have to Google everything I'm kind of referencing. But what we built is a simple slash command that allows you to at least give them a head start, which is putting in a gallery and a perspective list of words that they might want to reference as well as they're going through. So what I'm going to go do is use the slash command. Now, we did recently rename this. So in this case, it's SAT Buddy, because we pulled the top 6,000 SAT words. However, we renamed this to Confluence Glossary, and just a slash glossary will also get it working within your environment. So as you can see, what this did is it scanned through the entire article and it pulled out these different, more complex words that were actually used within the article, and then puts a definition. You can put this at the bottom. You could put this at the top of the article, wherever you think is most appropriate. So this adds it at the very bottom. And if I'll publish and I'll scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that there it is right there as part of the article. So this is a nice addition if you're writing a more complex article. Also, you can add more new definitions as well. So when you're editing, you can go press an edit button on the modal. We'll pop open a configuration and you can type a new word along with a new definition, and we'll save that using the storage that Forge provides. So that's on top of the original 6,000 words that we took as well. But thank you for your time. I hope you appreciate the idea. Looking forward to your feedback, and thank you very much.